Welcome to the Dintalks channel. Today Dintalks channel has come up with new videos. And that's his 5 best camera under $1,000 of 2022. The link of the products also giving in the description box. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. The 5th one on the list, Nikon Coolpix B500. The Nikon Coolpix B500 digital camera feels great in your hands. Whether you're zooming in with its super telephoto Nikkor glass lens or recording 1080p Full HD video using the flip of LCD. And it takes all the work out of shooting beautiful photos and videos with its 16-megapixel low-light sensor, lens shift vibration reduction, easy menus and controls, fun creative effects, and outstanding automatic operation. Plus, the whole time you're shooting, the Coolpix B500 can be easily and seamlessly connected to a compatible smartphone through Bluetooth low-energy technology for instant photo sharing and remote camera control. Simply brilliant. Features: 40x optical zoom, 80x dynamic fine zoom. Few shots are too far away for the Coolpix B500's Nikkor ED glass lens. 40x optical zoom gives you super telephoto power. Then, dynamic fine zoom and enhanced digital zoom effectively doubles that reach for a whopping 80x zooms. The 4th one on the list, Panasonic LUMIX FZ80. The Panasonic LUMIX digital camera brings the legendary optical performance of a super long 60x DC Vario lens with an amazingly stable optical image stabilizer to a highly portable point and shoot travel camera. Enjoy travel-ready technologies with a powerful 18.1 megapixel sensor. The LUMIX DC camera lens features a super bright f2 aperture range that is optically stabilized with Panasonic's Power OIS. The high-resolution power of 4K video technology captures up to 4x the resolution of standard Full HD, enabling you to create printable photos with 4K photos blistering 30 frames per second burst feature. Post-focus and focus stacking provide additional creative freedom by allowing you to change the depth of field or focus points after you take the picture. The FZ80 perfectly fits in your hand with an ergonomic grip, while its rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display and high-resolution dot viewfinder remain clear even in bright sunlight. The 3rd one on the list, Canon EOS Rebel T7, is a sleek entry-level DSLR featuring versatile imaging capabilities and a helpful feature set. A 24MP sensor and DIGIC 4+ image processor, the T7 produces high-resolution stills with notable clarity, reduced noise, and a flexible native sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 6400 for working in a variety of lighting conditions. The sensor and processor also afford shooting continuously at up to 3x for photographing moving subjects, as well as full HD video recording. Benefiting shooting with the optical viewfinder, a 9-point AF system incorporates a single center focusing system that offers refined autofocus precision when recording video or photographing in live view. 3-inch LCD offers a bright, clear image for playback and review, and built-in Wi-Fi with NFC also offers the ability to wirelessly share to a linked mobile device for instant online sharing. The 2nd one on the list, OLYMPUS Tough TG-6. You live for the outdoors, hiking steep mountain trails, backpacking through a desert canyon, skiing in the wilderness. The Tough TG-6 is ready for adventure. It's built to endure all the extreme environments you love exploring. You can drop it, step on it, go deep underwater or out into a freezing blizzard. It just keeps on shooting awesome stills and videos. Packed with pro features, you'll nail difficult shots even in low light. Shoot intricately detailed macro photos and unique shots underwater with vivid color. The lightweight, compact Tough TG-6, engineered to survive the world's toughest places, 4K movies and full HD 120x high-speed movies can be recorded. High-resolution f2.0 lens, maximum 8x zoom, true Pic 8 back-illuminated CMOS image sensor. The last one on the list, Panasonic LUMIX G7. The professional-grade Panasonic LUMIX 4K digital camera DMC G7 accepts over 24 compact lens options, built on the next-generation interchangeable lens camera standard Micro Four Thirds pioneered by Panasonic. Its mirrorless design enables a lighter, more compact camera body, while also offering cutting-edge video, audio, creative controls, wireless, intelligent focusing and exposure technologies, not possible with traditional DSLRs. With the exclusive LUMIX 4K Photo, simply pause that perfect moment from video to produce printable high-resolution photos. A high-resolution OLED eye viewfinder matches exactly how you intended to see the image even under direct sunlight. For connectivity convenience, the G7 includes microphone and remote ports, USB 2.0, and a micro HDMI terminal. And that's all for today's video. Links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.